Welcome to the world of LAPP, a global leader in cable and connection technology with over 60 years of manufacturing excellence. ÖLFLEX Connect by LAPP is our cable assembly solution ranging from specialized harness and customized servo assemblies to complex high-speed drag chain systems. With ÖLFLEX Connect, LAPP has transitioned from being a component supplier to a system supplier. Introducing ÖLFLEX Solutions LLP, a LAPP entity focused on delivering plug-and-play, end-to-end customized solutions for various industry segments. ÖLFLEX Solutions LLP envisions to be the most trusted, reliable and technically advanced supplier of cable and connector assemblies.
While ÖLFLEX Connect has existed a brand for over 5 years, I am happy to now introduce a new LAPP entity, ÖLFLEX Solutions LLP, which is aimed at focusing on serving our customers better. We aspire to become your preferred business partner by delivering world-class design capabilities, ensuring unmatched customisations and lowering of operating cost. With a highly skilled technical workforce and an approach which puts customers first, we shall ensure that you get access to the best industry brands and top quality services from a trustworthy single source.
Our statistical process control promises zero defect on-time delivery, ensuring our customers can take our products directly to their assembly line.
We look forward to building a lasting partnership with you.
ÖLFLEX Solutions LLP is an ideal partner of choice for all your cable assembly solutions. We help you focus on growing your business while we take care of all your cable and connectivity requirements. ÖLFLEX Solutions LLP, a new entity of LAPP.